Today we are going to be talking about this local sponge. As I've been having a lot of messages, a lot of emails, a lot of calls, asking a lot of questions. So in today's video, share the live video as you're joining. Drop a comment below. Join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. In today's video, I want to talk about the local sponge fruit for diabetes. Let me answer your question. So follow me. Let me show you the plant. You can. We have two plants here. We have pumpkin leaf that is growing here on cultivation, and then we have the local sponge plant. So you can look at the leaves of the plant here. It's a creeping plant. It's one of those creeping plants that fall under the cucumber family. When the plant mature, it bear a fruit. The fruit will look like cucumber. So this is the fruit here. This is the actually dry sponge here. So when it dry, you open the inside. You look at it as sponge. That is why we derive the name local sponge. Botanically, it's called Luffa cylindrica because this is the cylindrica melon. So this one, we are not talking about the leaves today. We are talking about the fruit, the unmatured fruit, because this one is already matured. So for diabetes type 1 or type 2 diabetes, maybe you are frequent urination, you are losing weight all the time, you're having dizziness, sometimes you cannot sleep in the night, or sometimes you can urinate over 10 to 15 times in one night. Look for the fresh fruit of this local sponge, the fresh one. When you wash it, then you cut it into two. Once you cut it into two, you press out the water. Half a teacup, which is 150 ml. If you can get 150 ml, if you have water, you add 2 tablespoons of hot water, or you warm it to be a little bit warm because you need to take it when it is warm. You take it in the morning. In the evening, I think it is growing here while you can see it's growing all over here. You can show down there, it's still growing on top of the fence, because if you do fence, bush is very close, you realize that it will grow, it will climb the fence. It will bear a fruit. So this is the fruit we are talking about today. So continue taking it morning, night, before you start taking the fruit of this plant for the diabetes. First of all, check your sugar level first. Once you check your sugar level, you can start taking the fruit of this plant. For 3 weeks, you're going to call me to thank me later. When you check it, after 1 week, you check it and you call me, you realize that the sugar is reducing drastically. What you need to do next, change your lifestyle, do a lot of exercise, don't eat junk food, don't eat late night food, eat